Coronavirus pandemic continues to rage across the country. Congregate facilities such as prisons and long-term care facilities remain among the hardest hit locations.
Our upLynk is tracking new infections at federal facilities in southern Minnesota. She joins us live with the very latest. Uba?
Good evening, Tom and Caitlin. Currently here at the Federal Medical Center, there are 13 inmates and 5 guards testing positive, with 13 inmates and 2 guards now recovered. But not too far from here at the Federal Correctional Institution in Waseca, an all-women's prison, nearly 1/3 of the inmates are contracting the virus. A significant number, 79 cases in just one day. I spoke with one family member who says her sister has a health condition and is recovering, but the family is very worried.
We just need her here where she can be kept safe.
Safe from the spiking COVID-19 cases at the Federal Correctional Institution in Waseca. As of today, 190 inmates have tested positive for the disease, including Sheila Gardner's sister, Margaret Kofel.
She went to prison, and now she is like imprisoned within the prison.
Kofel was sentenced to 8 years in jail for bank fraud and began serving that sentence in January. While in prison, she was diagnosed with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease at the age of 63 and has been trying her hardest to stay safe.
She did not leave her room. She stayed in her room so she wouldn't contract it.
Gardner read me a letter her sister wrote.
I have only been outside a total of 6 hours. I am thankful that there is a 4-by-4 foot window in my room that can be opened for fresh air.
Kofel has since recovered from COVID-19, but still hasn't gained back her sense of smell or taste.
I will bet you can mark my word, had they released her when they said they were going to, she would not have been had not contracted COVID.
Gardner says the news her family was praying for came when they found out her sister would be released to home confinement in April, only to have the decision rescinded 3 days later. A statement sent to us from the Federal Bureau of Prisons states case management staff are working urgently, reviewing all inmates to determine which ones meet the criteria to be referred to home confinement. As the case numbers continue to rise, Gardner says she does not think her sister is safe in Waseca.
No area really to quarantine all of these people that have COVID. I just know there have been many, many sleepless nights since COVID entered the prison on both ends.
Gardner tells me her sister is in good spirits, but is mentally breaking inside those prison walls. Reporting live in Rochester, Uba Ali, KTTC News.